Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding XRP. We're going to be talking about what's happening with XRP's price and where are we going in the immediate short term. So if you like these kind of videos, smash that like button and come join the Crypto ZX army. Looking at the price of XRP right now, it is currently trading at 37.6 cents, up 1.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down about 1.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the market cap for XRP, it is currently sitting at $19.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $1.6 billion. But now comes the question, what are some next price targets we could be looking at and where the price could be going in the immediate short term? We know what's been happening over the past few days for the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been going absolutely insane, and the entire market momentum has turned bullish once again. So now comes the question, what is happening with XRP's price, and is XRP finally going to have a breakout towards the upside, or is it going to be just consolidation phases left and right? So that's what we're going to be talking about right now. Before I do get into that, as you guys know, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But if we're looking at the price of XRP, I want to point out something that's very interesting that not a lot of people might be talking about right now. So you guys can see XRP was prior, during the consolidation phase. You guys can see we've been consolidating quite some time around this range, had a breakout towards the upside. And obviously when the FTX collapse happened, we did see the price tumble back towards the downside. And since then, even though that this year of 2023 has started on such a massive positive note, we haven't really seen the price of XRP break out of this level of resistance at that 42.96 cents mark. Yes, we did see a retest around that range, but that was a clear rejection. So now comes the question, what is going to happen? So remember, Bitcoin has been going absolutely insane. Bitcoin is creating new yearly highs, and the momentum on Bitcoin is insane. And the reason as to why Bitcoin really is moving is because global economy is on a massive facing a massive crisis right now, and banks are failing. We're seeing a lot of the negative effects of inflation coming about, and now people are starting to realize, especially after the Silicon Valley Bank collapse, people are starting to realize, wait, hold a minute. People have been talking about Bitcoin for the longest time, and this is like the first time we're seeing these 2008 all over again. A lot of similarities, and a lot of people are saying, wait, hold up, is Bitcoin really going to be one of the top performers? Because if you think about it, Bitcoin is its own bank. No one controls it. No one can take away your Bitcoins. You own your wallet. So people are starting to realize, wait, hold a minute. Why would we store our money into the banks around, obviously when the overall global economy is not looking too well? Why would we put our money in fiat currency, which can obviously, like, banks can the federal government can come and start printing money if banks do fail. So that's not a problem. But then makes us realize, what are we really working so hard for to earn the dollar that's so easy for these governments to print? So these are some factors that a lot of people are starting to realize. And obviously the entire crypto space is looking insane, but we're not seeing XRP have those explosive moves right now. We know that lawsuit that's been going on, and at this point, guys, I just want to go hit my head against the wall at this point, because this lawsuit is the longest lawsuit ever. This needs to come to an end sooner rather than later. We've been hearing, the lawsuit's going to come to an end tomorrow, next week, X, Y, Z. But so far, one positive thing that I do want you guys to keep in mind is that, overall, whatever we have heard from this lawsuit, a lot of stuff was in more favor of Ripple rather than SEC. So that goes to show that this lawsuit hopefully could come to an end. And if it comes to an end in 2023, when things are about to start heating up for the crypto markets, I don't even want to know what's going to happen to XRP, because XRP has not seen an all-time high yet since 2018. 2018 was its previous all-time high, and even last bull cycle it did not hit an all-time high. So XRP is going to make a massive statement now, projecting it to be one of the top performers in the large cap coins. But as I say that, it all comes down to that lawsuit. But obviously, in order for us to kind of have, if you were to ask me, hey, Crypto ZX, where do you think you will be getting excited for XRP? I would be getting extremely excited about once we pop out of this level of resistance at 50 cents, and most importantly, above this 56 cents mark, which we retested on September 25th. That would create a massive spike towards the upside, and I think the FOMO will kick in around that range because a breakout is clearly going to be happening at that time. So patience is going to pay off for the XRP holders that have been holding for quite some time, the longest time, during the most uncertain times. Those are the people that are going to definitely make gains when XRP does move, and it is going to move. One of the very few projects that has not moved in the top 100 coins right now, and obviously that's mainly because of the lawsuit, but the charts are looking like they are ready to rumble very, very soon. But as I say that, obviously time is going to tell. If you do not want to miss out on the gains in this bull cycle, number one, never invest everything into XRP. That's what I've said every single time in my videos on my channel. If this is your first time coming onto my channel, then this is going to be the first time you're hearing this. But if you have all your money in XRP and you're expecting to make the massive ROI, of course, if the lawsuit were to come to an end, it's going to explode. But what if the lawsuit keeps on getting delayed? So that's what I want you guys to keep in mind. Do sure have certain percentage of your portfolio in XRP, but also have other coins. Diversify your portfolio. This will help you in the long run. And even if XRP were to stay stagnant during over the next few months, you could make some massive gains from some other projects as well, and it kind of keeps your risk overall risk ratio lower as well. But yeah, that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, and if you agree with this analysis and where you could see the price of XRP trading at the end of the year. I love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.